Hello everyone, welcome you all. So in this video we are going to discuss about Zener diode. Previously we have discussed about normal PN junction diode. So first, before going to what is meant by Zener diode, I would like to talk about why we are trying to know about Zener diode. So what is special about this Zener diode, and as usual, if why is clear, then how becomes easier. So if you know why we are learning this Zener diode, then it will be very easy to learn what is meant by Zener diode and how it works, what are the characteristics of the Zener diode. So all those technical things we will be covering in this video. And so coming to why we are learning Zener diode is, so the normal PN junction diodes which we have seen, those will be operated only in forward characteristics. So this is the forward characteristics and these are the reverse characteristics, which will be in the third quadrant, and the forward characteristics will be in the first quadrant. So the reverse, here in the reverse junction or reverse biased condition, normal diodes fail to operate. So when the reverse voltage is applied, the normal diodes get damaged, and or they can be or we can say they get failed in working in the reverse condition. So in order to make the diode work in reverse condition, because we will be having lot of applications which are required the diode in reverse condition, like switching on and off immediately. So as we know, most of the diodes are used as switches in every circuit. So the major application of the diode is the switching. It is used as a switching circuit, and also the Zener diode is used in clipper circuits. So suppose there is a one waveform coming like this, okay, so we don't want that upper portion. So when you pass this through the Zener diode, then we will be getting a waveform which is having a lower amplitude. So this amplitude will be clipped or it is removed from the input. So, and it is also used in voltage regulators where we want some constant output voltage. So as the Zener diode will be working in the negative or reverse region, so it will be easy to get the negative reverse constant voltage. So these are the some of applications. Now coming to what is meant by Zener diode is, a Zener diode is a silicon PN junction semiconductor device which is operated in its reverse breakdown region. So it is similar to the PN junction diode. Same, there are also two P and N regions, and but the difference is that the normal PN junction diode is operated in forward characteristics, but the PN junction diode but the Zener diode is operated in its reverse condition or reverse voltage condition. Now the Zener diodes are fabricated with precise breakdown voltages by controlling the dropping level during manufacturing. So what differences? When reverse biased, if the reverse current of Zener diode is limited using a series resistance, then the power dissipation at the junction is limited to such a level which will not damage the diode, and the Zener diode continues to operate safely in the reverse breakdown region. So what happens in the conventional or normal PN junction diodes is that when we increase the voltage, or when we increase the voltage in the reverse direction, so up to some voltage it will be conducting, but after that the reverse breakdown occurs and the PN junction gets damaged, so it will be of no use further this voltage. So this is the breakdown point B. But in case of Zener diode, what happens is, so after breakdown the voltage remains constant, though we the current remains constant. So this is the current and this is voltage. Though we increase the voltage in the negative direction, the current from this to this point will increase or it will remain constant. So this makes special. So this portion makes the Zener diode special to use in voltage clipper and voltage regulator applications, because there will be there in voltage regulator we want a constant voltage. So in this portion we are getting the constant voltage. So that's why the Zener diode is used in voltage regulators as well as clippers. So this can't be done with the normal PN junction diodes, right? So now coming to the symbols and other characteristics. So how the symbol of a Zener diode looks like. The Zener diode looks like it is same as the normal PN junction diode. So normal PN junction diode is like this, we all know that. So there will be only a one stick. So here we are having this symbol, so only a minor changes are done here. So this is the anode and this is cathode, positive negative terminals here. So now coming to forward biasing. Now coming to the forward biasing, so in forward biased we know that positive terminal is connected to the anode and negative terminal is connected to the cathode. So this one is the anode and this is cathode. So here positive is connected to the anode and negative is connected to the cathode. So this is forward biased and current flows in the right to left direction. So in case of reverse biased condition, the opposite happens. So this direction will change here. So as you can see in the figure, anode is connected to the negative and cathode is connected to the positive. So this one is anode and this is cathode. So here anode is connected to negative and cathode is connected to positive. So this makes the Zener diode in the reverse biased condition. So the voltage which will be present across the reverse biased Zener diode, that is called as reverse breakdown voltage, and it is denoted as VZ. So this is all about basics of Zener diode, why we use, what are the applications, and what are the characteristics for the Zener diode, and how it is different from that of conventional PN junction diode. So if you like the video guys, please do hit the like button, and if you have not subscribed the channel, please guys do subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.